Want to make Robux by selling game passes but don't know where to start? Most beginners make a critical mistake right here that kills their sales. Avoid it by watching this entire video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create and sell your first pass like a pro. First, go to the official Roblox website and sign into your account. This is your starting point. Simple, but don't skip it. Here's where the magic begins. Click the Create tab at the top of the page. This takes you straight to the Creator Hub. Keep watching because the next step is where most people get lost. In the side menu, select Creations, then click on the specific game or experience you want to add your pass to. Pay close attention. Choosing the wrong game is a common mistake that wastes your time. Now scroll down the side menu to the Monetization section and click Passes. Then hit Create a Pass. Your icon image matters more than you think. Better images lead to more sales. Upload yours, add a name and description, then click Create Pass. Final step, don't miss this. Click on your new pass. Go to the Sales tab. Toggle Item for Sale to On and set your price in Robux. Hit Save Changes and you're officially selling. Price strategically to high and no one buys. To low and you leave Robux on the table. If this helped, hit subscribe and stay tuned for the next video where I'll show you how to promote your pass for even more sales.